Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to reveal 10 shocking secrets that will make a man miss you like crazy. Whether you're in a new relationship, trying to rekindle the flame, or simply want to create a sense of longing, these tips will help you capture his attention and make him crave your presence. So, let's dive right into it. Number 1. Be unpredictable. One of the secrets to making a man miss you is to be unpredictable. Keep him on his toes by surprising him with unexpected gestures, spontaneous outings, or even changing up your usual routine. This element of surprise will make you exciting and unforgettable in his eyes. Number 2. Maintain your independence. While it's important to spend quality time together, it's equally crucial to maintain your independence. Pursue your passions, hobbies, and personal goals. Show him that you have a life beyond the relationship. When he sees that you have a vibrant and fulfilling life of your own, he'll miss being a part of it. Number 3. Limit your availability. Don't always be readily available at his beck and call. Allow him to miss you by occasionally declining plans or being unavailable for a short period. This will create a sense of longing and make him appreciate the time he gets to spend with you even more. Number 4. Be confident and radiate self-love. Confidence is incredibly attractive. Focus on building your self-esteem and radiating self-love. When you exude confidence, he'll be drawn to your positive energy and magnetic aura. He'll miss the way you make him feel when you're not around. Number 5. Engage in mystery. Create an aura of mystery around yourself. Don't reveal everything about your life or past all at once. Let him discover different aspects of your personality gradually. This will pique his curiosity and make him want to unravel the layers of your intriguing persona. Number 6. Don't be too available on social media. While social media is a great way to connect, avoid being too available or posting every detail of your life online. Leave room for his imagination and let him wonder what you're up to. When he doesn't have constant updates, he'll start to miss your presence and want to reach out to you. Number 7. Be supportive of his goals. Show genuine interest in his dreams and ambitions. Be supportive and encourage him to pursue his goals. When he realizes that you genuinely care about his success and well-being, he'll miss your presence as someone who motivates and believes in him. Number 8. Create special memories together. Plan unique and memorable experiences together. Whether it's going on adventures, trying new activities, or exploring new places, creating special memories strengthens your bond. These shared experiences will make him long for the moments you spent together and miss the connection you share. Number 9. Focus on your physical appearance. Taking care of your physical appearance is essential. Dress well, maintain good hygiene, and take pride in your appearance. When you look and feel your best, you exude confidence and attractiveness, making him miss your presence and desire you even more. Number 10. Give him space. Lastly, giving him space is crucial in making him miss you. Avoid being overly clingy or suffocating. Allow him to have his personal time and pursue his interests. When you respect his need for space, he'll appreciate the moments you have together and miss your companionship when you're apart. There you have it, 10 shocking secrets to make a man miss you like crazy. Remember, These tips are not about playing games but rather about creating a healthy balance in your relationship and maintaining your individuality. By implementing these strategies, you'll ignite a sense of longing and desire within him. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice.